هاوڕێیەتی لە بینی کوڕکچا هەیە؟
بەڵێ بۆ ئافرەت وەکت بەڵێ بۆ پیا وە کوڕ زۆر 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 ئاساییە پەیوەندی هەبیت و عیلاقە هەبیت بە مەرجێک نەگاتە ئاستی پەیوەست بوون. عیلاقەدانان شتێکی ئاساییە بە مەرجێک نەگاتە تەعەلوق. تەعەلوق کارەساتە، عیلاقە شتێکی ئاساییە، نۆرماڵە.
All of my friends are men. I don't have female friends. I don't. I'm incapable of that.
Why? What do you mean?
Well, because come on.
Because you have a wife.
Well, I have a wife, and I don't really have female friends because look. Okay, let's get rid of this myth right here. Okay, I'm gonna tell you this. Let's get rid of this right here. You're an attractive woman. There's some guy somewhere saying, "Yeah, we're friends." No, that's not true. He's your friend only because you have made it absolutely clear that nothing else is happening except this friendship we have. We remain your friends in hopes that one day there'll be a crack in the door, a chink in the armor, and trust and believe that guy that you think is just your buddy, he will slide in that crack the moment he gets the opportunity. Because we're guys.
Men think this way?
99.9% of us think that way. And you tell this to a woman and it just blows her back. No, I have male friends. You have male friends because they know it can be nothing else right now. I tell you what, all your male friends, just ask them in a friendly way. If I wanted to date you, would you be okay with that? And watch the fireworks. Watch. I'm telling you.
The age-old idea that men and women can just be friends, assuming that they're both heterosexual in this case, appears to be not true. This is fascinating. They did a study where they brought in 88 pairs of undergraduate opposite-sex friends into a science lab, and they followed standard protocol as far as anonymity, confidentiality, etc., but also got people to agree verbally and in front of each other that they weren't going to discuss the study, they weren't going to talk about what they said to the researchers amongst themselves after leaving the testing facility. What they tested was, presumably you were just friends, and they separated the man and the woman. They said, okay, tell me, how attractive do you find your friend to be? How attractive do you think your friend finds you to be? How interested in pursuing a relationship with your friend are you? Okay? What do you think they found?
You tell me.
Okay. The results show that there is a huge gender difference. The women did not find, on the whole, the men to be particularly attractive, and had absolutely no inkling that they would ever have a romantic relationship with the men. However, the men, number one, found the women attractive, number two, had a much higher estimation of how attractive the women found them to be, and also indicated, yeah, I would actually be into having a romantic relationship with this woman. So the results really seem to indicate that men have the harder time being just friends, whereas for women, it really appears to be much more straightforward to be just friends.
That would have been my guess, too.
It would have been?
Yeah. Just from what I've observed.
I've always thought this. I've had conversations with a number of different women where they'll say, oh, well, such and such is just a friend. And I'll say, I'm not denying that you're actually just friends, but if given the opportunity, he would be interested in a romantic relationship with you. And they say, no, absolutely not. You have no idea what our friendship is like. Our friendship is different. That he would never be interested in that. Mm-hmm. And the research more and more seems to indicate, yes, he would. It's just that you wouldn't be interested.
And he thinks that she would be.
Right.
And so both parties are delusional.
Exactly. The women assume the men aren't interested in them. The men assume the women deep down are interested in them, and they both seem to be completely wrong.
Right.